They really
Yeah.
look pretty neck and neck.
Bodhi looks like he might be a smidge.
It's hard to. It depends on the angle.
I know,
sometimes,
yeah.
I think.
Because like that.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe he's a little bit higher. Of course, that's the problem.
Of course, that's... I keep getting them confused. Be nice. Bodhi wants to play. Hey, Farley.
Wants to play with you, Farley.
That's Farley. That's the big boy.
He's just saying he wants to play. Oh, play with him, Farley. Play.
I think they're kind of tired. They've been playing for a little bit. Do all kinds of stuff.
You getting tired there, Farls?
You know, I used to having that big boy to play with.
Yes, and Farley's definitely used to the little ones.
Yeah,
He can terrorize them.
good exercise.
Whoa, whoa.
That's what Cooper and Bodhi used to do all the time.
Oh, Farley. Is that
Ooh.
Farley? It's hard to tell. Farley.
Yep.
Farley, be nice. I mean, I know they do play that way. So
Yeah.
we just have to remind them.
That's, you know, that's my problem. I don't know what's okay.
I don't think they have it in them to be, you know, real vicious, like the Goldens anyway.
No.
You know, so they're pretty, like, mellow, nice dogs. Really. They are tired. You can tell they're tired. Here, because she's really not thrilled with the. She's going to be there just a couple of weeks altogether. A few more weeks and then she'll be done.
Okay, well, where will she do her?
It's still the same organization, but she's probably going to finish in the Twin Cities. They have chapters everywhere.
Woody.